All right, secret's out. I have been accepted to Bethune Cookman University. I will be studying their visual arts program, so I'll be taking my talents to Daytona Beach in the fall of 2025. Today I'm out here at Daytona Field, and we are at the Daytona Beach 2025 spring game, maroon versus gold. And as you can see in back of me, game is going on. I've been out here photographing today. I've been doing video and also got some shots on the GoPro. The significance of everything that I've been doing today is just going to be getting prints up, getting my portfolio up. My prints and stuff can be seen on my Instagram, which is What Thomas Says. I will also post some at the end of this video. And if you want to see more of my portfolio, you can go on my website. My website is whatthomassays.com. Thank you, everybody that has supported me. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will be doing a lot of content. I will also be sharing a lot of Bethune Cookman University content. Like, I'm already thinking about, oh wow, maybe I should do a video on my first day going to school. Just for people that are looking at going to HBCU and such. I have plans of joining a photography club and a lot, so I'll be bringing a lot of content to you all. So stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching.